Hey everyone, John from Popeyes Postcards. You do not want to miss the Tuesday 8 p.m. auction. So many great lots, 30 great lots of postcards and some ephemera. You don't want to miss it. You don't want to be jumping around to other channels. You want to stay tuned to my auction. Do not miss it. Stay tuned right here for the preview. 25 map postcards, chrome and earlier. 25 postcards from the 1939 New York World's Fair. 27 sports related, mostly Baltimore Orioles players, but there are some real photo, basketball, and track, and some other baseball players. A lot of these, 23 actually, of these hand-painted and real bird feather blank back postcards. These are just gorgeous. Beautiful selection of 10 Santa Claus postcards, all great looking Santas, some different colored robes and coats. Really nice selection. Nice grouping of 30 Boy Scouts of the world. There is some duplication in here. 30 real photo postcards, all of groups of people, all pre-1920s. 30 real photos of people, groups of people. Terrific lot of 40 dressed animals, cats, monkeys. Ever see a dressed fish, geese? Lots of bears and cats. Great lot here. Look at that one. Dressed donkeys. There's dressed fantasy, anthropomorphic. Beautiful, cool lot. 30 continental size postcards, all from the 1982 World's Fair in Knoxville, Tennessee. Continental size. Cool lot of Valentine's greeting cards. Some have fold-outs. Really neat with the honeycomb. Some are mechanical. Which way's her head move? There we go. Really cool selection here. Another one with somehow his head moves. There it is. But really cool selection. Terrific lot of 47 sports stadiums, sports related. Got some linen here. We got earlier Yankee Stadium, whole bunch of these chrome, Lackawanna County, Pennsylvania Red Barons, and some other professional sports stadiums. Really great selection here. 25 nicer Easter cards. A lot of chicks and children, a few dressed animals, but a nice selection of better Easter cards. 25 real photo postcards, mostly unidentified people, places, and things. Some nice subject matter. 25 real photo postcards. Over 115 old Victorian calling cards or little cards that went in flower bouquets. There are a few die cuts in here, but over 115 of these. Some are as simple as just a name. Some have flowers, but a nice selection. 115, over 115. 50 Disney postcards. Disneyland, Disney World, nice little mixture, all standard size. Disney. Lot number 1 of 3 Matthew Kirscht cards. These two are embossed and gilded. and this was a special giveaway. Only 2 of these ones were made. Second lot of 3 Matthew Kirscht Halloween postcards. All 3 of these are embossed and gilded. This is my favorite card of probably all time. Third lot of Matthew Kirscht Halloween postcards. These are all Popeyes Postcards exclusives. Only 27 of each of these were made. This is the 4th lot of 3 Matthew Kirscht Halloween cards. Just very colorful, beautiful cards. Lot of 50 real photo postcards of all people. Great research lot if you're into looking up who these people are. But 50 real photo postcards, all containing people. Interesting topic lot of over 50 postcards related to caves, cave interiors. Pretty neat lot. Over 90 Christmas greetings postcards. More of your scenic and sayings. Some really nice cards in here. Terrific selection of over 100 train postcards. This is actually a photo. There are at least one other real photo in here, but over 100 great train cards. There's the real photo. Southern Pacific, chrome and earlier. A lot of earlier ones in here. Linens. Great lot of trains. Interesting topical lot of bridges, covered bridges, new bridges, railroad bridges, but all bridges. There's a real photo of a bridge. Interesting collection. Over 50 postcards with children. There's these foreign ones. Some are artist signed, all with children on them. Decent amount of real photos with children also. All kids. Over 75 postcards, all from New Orleans, chrome and earlier. Selection of a little over 100 steamship postcards, a few real photos of steamships and other ships, some Red Star Line, Cunard Line, Anchor Line, Great White Fleet, a whole bunch of steamships, a little over 100. Really nice selection. 50 postcards, all Thanksgiving. There's actually 51 of them. Some nice airbrushed, embossed, nice silver gilded, but all great Thanksgiving postcards, 50 of them. Over 100, I think the count is 109 postcards all from Texas. All standard size, linen, chrome, a few earlier ones, but really nice selection, all from Texas. Small album containing 24 tintypes and 7 CDVs. Women, children, some bigger ones, some smaller ones. This guy, I don't know what he is, tintypes, kids, more tintypes. A few CDVs, I think there are 7 of them. And then this one is incredible. Black Americana, tintype photo. Not my prices.